Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I am making a pina colada cake. I started with a recipe of my grandmother's and I've actually changed it up a bit. So let's get started. Alright, so I have here a 9x13 pan, which I've sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm going to be adding crushed pineapple. Next, I'm going to be adding sweetened coconut flakes. Next, I have yellow cake mix. Alright, so this next ingredient is optional, but I have here some Malibu Caribbean rum with coconut liqueur. I'm going to be adding just a tiny bit of that into our cake batter. So I have a little bit of that right here. And we'll mix that in. Alright, and the final ingredient is 2 sticks of butter, which I've chopped up, and we're going to add that in. Alright, we are ready for the oven, which I have preheated to 350, and we are going to bake it for about 1 hour. So I took it out of the oven after only about 40 minutes, and now I'm going to let it cool. Alright, so now I'm going to get the frosting ready. I have here some Duncan Hines creamy vanilla frosting, which I put into a bowl here. And to that, I'm going to add some pineapple juice. And a splash of coconut extract. And mix that up. All right, and we're going to begin to frost our cake. All right, the frosting is on, and now we're going to add a little bit of our crushed pineapple to the top. And last but not least, we're going to add some shredded coconut. All right, and our cake is done, and we are ready to cut a slice. This looks really good. I can't wait to give it a try, and I hope you do too. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.